Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about a new thing that is paint. You all know how to do the drawing using pen and paper and how to color it. But if I am telling you to do it in computer, how you will do? For that we have paint. Okay, then how to start paint and do the drawing I will explain you now. Here in the search bar you type paint. Though I am using the higher version, so I will get here, then I will choose the application and the paint will be open for me. But if you are using the lower version of Windows, then what you have to do? You have to go to start. If you are going here, then you will get all programs, then accessories, then paint. Okay, so this is a software which comes by default with the Windows, so we don't have to install it from anywhere. So it is freely available with the Windows. You can use it to do the drawings. Now I will tell you what are the parts of this paint window. So here this is the quick access toolbar. Okay, this is the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. Okay. Next is why the name is quick access toolbar, because it contains the buttons which is used for common tasks. That is why the name is quick access toolbar. Now this is the paint button through which you can do the paint. This is your paint button, okay, through which you can do the paint. These are the three tabs available in paint. This is your drawing area where you can do your drawing, and this is the group, colors group, from where we will select the color for our drawing. Okay, now let us start drawing a rectangle. For that, what I will do, I will choose the rectangle shape from here. So you select here and simply drag like this. Okay, then if you want one more rectangle, come here, then drag like this inside this. Again, one more you want, you can also set the size as per your requirement. Okay, like this you can modify. You can increase the size and you can decrease the size of the rectangle. Okay, if you want one more, same way, you come here, take the rectangle from here and drag like this. So this is the way you can draw the rectangles from the shapes tool. Now we will see how to draw a circle. How I can draw a circle? Let's clean it. Otherwise you can go for a new document, new window where you can do the new drawing. But here I am using the same working area. So I deleted that. Now what I want to draw a circle. For that what I will do? I will select the oval tool from here and I will draw like this. So this is the way you can draw a circle. Now suppose I want one more circle. So what I will do? See here, I choose the color and I am drawing the circle inside it. Okay. If you simply you drag it little bit so that it will look like a circle. Let me choose another color. First you have to select the shape. Then you select the color. In which color you want your circle to draw. So this is the way you can draw colorful circles. Okay, so first you have to select the shape, then you select the color as per your requirement. Now we will move to the next thing, that is the use of line tool. How you can use the line tool? For that what we have to do? Again same way, we have to go to the shape tool. From shape tool you select the line tool. Then if you want any color, you take the color from here and start drawing the lines like this. Suppose I want one more in different color. Select, take the line and draw like this. So this is the way you can use your line tools. Let us take one more. Okay, so this is the way you can use the line tools. Now suppose I want to erase my drawing. So what I will do? I will go to this eraser tool. From eraser tool you select the eraser, then start rubbing if you don't want. Like you are using your eraser, no? If you are writing something wrong using pencil, you are using the eraser tool. Similarly in paint we have the eraser tool to erase the mistakes we have done. So this is the way you can use your eraser tool. Now we will see the Brush tool. So why brush tool is used? Brush tool is used to select any color and to apply. Okay, suppose I want to apply some color here to my rectangle. I am creating a rectangle and I want to apply some color to it. So what I will do, this is a rectangle I have drawn, then I want to apply some color to it. Go to the brush tool, then which type of brush you want you can select from here. Suppose I want this one, so I will select this one. Okay, then you come here, then you start doing. Okay, so you will come to know how your brush tool works. Okay, like a normal brush tool you are using, no normal brush you are using while coloring, same way this brush tool will work. You can choose any color and you can use it for coloring purpose. Okay, now we will learn how to fill an object with color. Okay, let us learn that how we can fill an object with color. For that, again, what I am doing, simply I am taking the rectangle, then I am going to this tool. This is your fill with color tool. This is known as your fill with color tool. Select this tool, take any color from here, simply leave like this. So the entire triangle is going to be filled with the color. Let us do one more. I am going to take a circle from here. I am going to draw the circle. Then I want to fill this with the color. So what I will do, I will go to the fill with color tool. Then select any color from here, which one you want. Suppose I want this color. Select the color, leave it. So the circle is filled with the color. So this is all about the lesson. Thank you.